so many places and living close by. Indore is Uttar Pradesh.
महाकाल मंदिर जी
But from Vrindavan 4 hours to Indore.
Ya, finaliza lo.
I went to Mahakal. I went.
महाकाल
Can you speak please? Yes, that is something. So that they become very good devotees of Radhanadi.
So welcome to Brindakunj and to Vrindavan. This is the land of Lord Krishna. You know, we always know about great personalities. We know that, for example, about Modi ji, Gandhi ji, Donald Trump, many famous people that are speaking and doing things for the world, but we don't know their private life. Who are their friends, who are inside the house, what is the relationship they have, what they do in free time. We don't know anything about them. So what to say about Supreme Lord, the Supreme Personality of Godhead that has created the whole universe? All the important people are coming from Him. And we could also don't know about Him, what is He doing in His private life. We know about His power, we know about His strength, about His richness, His potencies, and through yoga people try to get those powers and everything. But what is He doing in private life? Who are His friends? Nobody knows. Until He is coming to Vrindavan. When He is coming to Vrindavan, then He is showing, oh, this is my mom, this is my father, I am playing with them like this. This is my beloved Radharani, these are my friends, we are dancing, I like to dance, I like yellow color. From all the instruments, I am expert, but I like the most the yellow color. That's why he's wearing yellow dhoti. In this way, he liked the peacock. That's why he's putting peacock feather on his head. So all his private life, secret life, he is showing here in Vrindavan. So we are very fortunate to be in this holy land, where it is said that every step we are doing, like you are coming, Jai Shri Guru Gauranga.
ओके एक भजन है ना राधा वल्लभ जी दर्शन करने चलेंगे यहाँ से और फिर वहाँ से राधा रमण जी दर्शन करके वापस
¿Qué estás diciendo?
नहीं तो फिर चलते ही हैं, फिर भजन चलते ही हैं, भजन करते करते चलते।
Ya, ya, ya. Ahí está en vivo. Ahí está en vivo, nomás que lo puse vertical.